Good morning, everybody.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before we finish our song. See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
We're going up. My wife is the cutest thing, cutest thing ever. Cuteness aggression. I squeeze her, love her, kiss her, and love her some more. She's so cute. At any rate, good morning. I hope you guys can hear me on this microphone. I hope you all had a great Christmas. I think this is the first time I've been live since Christmas. Exciting news, all kinds of exciting news, not the least of which is my beautiful wife finally recorded that for us. I finally remembered to ask her. All right, let's see if we're on TikTok somewhere. TikTokers, good morning. Good morning, YouTubers, Twitchers, Facebookers, all that good stuff. Yep, we're live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, let's see if we have that on play. Hold on, where is this thing? Gonna be the other. Da 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 da. One of these things is not like the other.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before we finish our song. See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
She's so cute. All right, let's see. I don't even think I have anything set. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is, I have no idea. Please work until I get this set. It is roughly speaking, you never know around here. Let's see. The 28th, I believe. I've got so many phones and I don't even know. What's up, Lazarus? Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's to you, Lazarus. And all the other holidays in between there. I know there's tons. Let's go to community. Let's go to held. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Can you guys hear this version?
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before we finish our song. See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
She added on the "we're going up" part because some clown coder who thought he was God's gift to everything didn't understand what a buy stop was after I showed him the cartoon. It's the main reason why she did it, because she couldn't believe people are that slow. This coder guy was a joke. But at any rate, what is today? Come on now. Today is the 28th. Yeah, like I said. Wow, what do you know? One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. All right, that's set up. Now let's go back into our safety of here. Yes, there we are. Now, does anyone here? Do we have things? Yes, we do. Helping traders. Da 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 da. Good morning, Dustin. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning, Filio. What's up, Filio? What's up, Persistent? And Kirk Brown. What's up, Kirk? And Fletch. Finally bringing it back. I know, right, Filio? Good morning, Henry. So can you guys hear this version also? Hold on. Can you guys hear when I do it through the TV?
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before we finish
Mainly on YouTube. Can you hear it on YouTube?
All that green and one red. That's the buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
She ad-libbed that. Good morning, Henry. Sevens, if you guys can hear that on YouTube. What's up, TikTokers? What's up, Super Z, Julius, Lazarus? I know there's a lot of folks on TikTok. Well, a lot. There's like 9 or 10 of you, but I'm grateful. We hear it on you. Okay, good. Thank you, Henry. Thank you, Dwayne. All right. We need to take that off of there. There we go. So that's just one of the tiny surprises, but I love that surprise. I think it's amazing. I don't know if anyone remember this one. Let's see.
Buy stop, buy stop. Buy stop, buy stop. Buy stop, buy stop.
That one won't be used as much, but it's cute. All right. Other exciting news. What you're witnessing is history in the making. If you're looking at this screen right now, following an orange arrow around, you're looking at a 30-minute buy stop called out correctly by the BreeBot, the upcoming BreeBot, one of 4 versions we have coming. This is the single use. This is also the 1 hour. Not sure why the 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour aren't showing yet, other than they haven't been called. Buy stop future, 2 hour buy stop NAS, buy stop future. You guys think I used to be good calling things before? Just wait until you see the power of what I'm talking about. Buy stop future, 3 hour buy stop NAS will form. A 2 hour buy stop NAS will form. A 3 hour buy stop NAS will form. A 4 hour buy stop NAS will form. Is anyone listening to what I'm telling you? And you guys should be, what the fuck is he doing now? So many of you don't even understand the basics of the system. I'm gonna have a lot of basic information on my lives, and then we're gonna have the first ever. That's another good news thing. Well, long story short is, with the robot, you'll be able to see the upcoming trades because they form an order. Oh, no pick on YouTube. No. I was trying to get around that. Hold on. Do. Yeah, let's try again. All right, let's start with the basics. Can you guys see an orange arrow on your screen? Not TikTokers. I know TikTokers can. You guys are the best. Da 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 da. Yay. Da 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 da. Yeah. Now we'll have to figure out that in a minute, but I'll do it. Jacob, Friday at 10 a.m. Negative. These are all those other people. Negative. Don't care about that shit. They all sucked anyways. Okay, so you guys can't see it. All right. The robot tells you when there's a 30-minute correctly. It tells you when there's a 1 hour correctly. The 2 hour hasn't happened yet. The 3 hour hasn't happened yet. The 4 hour hasn't happened yet. Holy shit. So now I'm able to see further in the future than ever before, because I know there's going to be a 30-minute. There already was. I know there's going to be an hour. There already was. There hasn't been a 2 hour buy stop yet. There will be. What does that mean? We know NAS is not done going up. There's going to be a drop forming a 2 hour buy stop. Then there'll be a drop forming a 3 hour buy stop. Then there'll be a drop forming a 4 hour buy stop. Then there'll be a drop forming a 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8, 9, 10, 11 hour. Well, actually, this robot's only going up to 10 hours. Do you guys understand? Good morning, Yard Dog. This should pile this. the number of, what are we at? It's like 25, 30 people here on a Sunday morning. All of you should be so excited for what I just said. Listen to what I'm telling you. Lazarus got it. Lazarus said, wow. Yay, Lazarus. We now know, because of the great coding of the great Keith Palmer and Spidey, thank God for Spidey coming back, because of them, we were able to see what's coming up in the future. What I haven't done is let's take a look at some other symbols and see if it does the same thing. Oh my, if you guys understood what I'm telling you, which I don't think it's gotten through to anyone. There we go. Persistent now and Lazarus. What's up, Dr. One Fly? Let's take a look at gold, shall we? I wonder if the same thing can be said for gold. I don't know. Remember, I'm still testing this all out. I've been looking at it for the last several days. Thank God for Spidey. He was able to do this for me right before Christmas. But I don't know how it's going to work the rest of the way with every other symbol. We have to check this. Is it the correct entry? Is it not the correct entry? Is it this? Is it? I don't know. We're going to have to figure this out. So let's take a look and see if gold is the same exact way. I do not know. But if it is, holy shit-olas. Holy shit-olas. Are you guys going to be thrilled out of your mind? I'm going to have to go back a ways. I can't see this thing right here. Can you imagine? Kirk Brown. So 3 out of about 40 people now understand the power of what I'm telling you. You guys, we're going to see. Here we go. Let's see if this is on. Okay, let's go over to gold here and see if we have the exact thing we're looking for. I'm just looking for certain patterns. Okay, yes, it looked for the trade here. It took the trade there. Yes, it did. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my God. What you're witnessing is crazy, though. It really is. Now, has there been a 2-hour? There has not. Gold buy future order 2-hour. Gold buy 3-hour. Gold will go up. Well, I think it's already done. The 1 hour is complete. Now look for a 2-hour buy stop on gold, a future order 2-hour buy stop. Price will drop. It'll form a 2-hour buy stop, and you will take that future pending order. Demo trade only. Are you listening to what I'm telling you? Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Are you smelling what the rock is selling? What was it saying? What's up, JL Green? Good morning, Julius. Oh, thank you, Spidey. I know. Just so we know, let me be clear of what's transpiring that I'm noticing a pattern on already. Remember, life is nothing but pattern recognition. I just happen to be blessed with stubbornness to see the patterns, but everything in your life is nothing what you call a habit. A habit is just a pattern that gets you through life, that you can make shortcuts. You can figure out simple ways of driving to work. You have a patterns. Every day you do things. You have patterns on your lives, patterns on how you talk to your wife or your children, patterns how you talk to yourself, patterns on how you lift, patterns on how you trade. I don't want to, get into this too much, but all your life is one big pattern. If you can figure out the patterns that are self-destructive, interrupt those, replace them with positive patterns, you will make a better life. If you learn how to trade with the certain high probability patterns of the safety trade system, you'll be correct more often than wrong. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Smells good, says your dog. All right, listen. What you guys are witnessing is the robot now not re-entering trades. So now we can see much better the Breebot. 30-minute entry, 1 hour entry. Where's the 2-hour entry? Where's the 3-hour entry? Where's the 4-hour entry? It hasn't happened yet. They form an order. We now see the robot's going to call a 30-minute, a 1 hour. What can we extrapolate from that? Oh my goodness. Please, people, I hope to goodness everyone's paying attention this morning. I know it's Sunday morning. I know I haven't been on in a while, but this is incredible. While we're waiting, let's listen to Bree. One of these things is not like the other.
One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before we finish our song, see all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
We're going up. That little voice. She's all of 100 pounds. 5'3". Oh, my wife. Da 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 da. And so can you. All right. We have all kinds of news. Bree recorded her little songs again. Bree's gonna be coming on alive again. That's the best news ever. That's why I led with it. Second best news is this. If there's a 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour that's formed and they haven't formed the 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour buy stops yet, you guys know price is going to keep going up, and you can re-enter on the 2 hour, and you can re-enter on every 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second buy stop you can find. Hello? Is this getting through to anyone? I hope you guys. Bonnie caught on. Good morning, Yard Dog. Good morning, Kirk. Good morning, Taraya Edwards again. Good morning, Barani again. Good morning, Stephanie. Wow is right. Are you guys, is anyone, I know everyone's tired. I know we all had a great Christmas. I know we probably overate, although I've lost weight. I'm down about 2 pounds. Just look at what I'm telling you. Let's take another look at another symbol, but this is looking pretty promising. Let's take a look at, I don't know, maybe Target. Let's take a look at Target, shall we? I have no idea what this is going to do. This doesn't look good. It's smashing down. It looks like it's having an error over here. It is. When I saw those blue lines, I knew we were erroring out. Let me see if I can override that. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. Do da do da do da do da dee da. Up this do da da song. See, it's having trouble reading Target, but I'm going to go ahead and up this. Let me see if I can just see a 2 hour buy stop, and I'll work my way backwards. Do 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 do. There we go. Here's our 2 hour entry. This is a 2 hour entry. Looks like it called it beautifully. Went straight up after that. Beautiful call. So this is the Breebot entry right here. What day is this? Let me get over here. It looks to be December 21st, 2023. December 21st. Damn, 2023. We're going back, peeps. December 21st at 2300. Wow. That's a far one. Last 2 years ago. Let's see what we should do. Okay, now we got that one trapped. Let's go over to here and see if there's any priors. All right, let's go back to here and here and there. And let's see if we had, yeah, we did. So this is the 2 hour. This is the 3 hour. Yep, it did it. Let me see here. We're looking at target through the Breebot eyes. And we have to see if we see a 1 hour. I know the 30-minute collapsed, but we can fix that later. Let me just see about this. Yes, there's the 1 hour. Holy shit, it did do it. That's fucking incredible. When did it do it? February. February, 1 hour, February. 2023. All right, let me go back. And what do we have currently? Let's go back to the 30-minute. And why can't it call it? It's just an error. I'll figure that out later. But as we go forward, let's go to the 1 hour and see if we can see anything there. Yes, we do. Okay. So when was this 1 hour called? This is called July 8th, 2025. July 8th, 2025. Well, that's a little sooner than that. July 8th, 20 o'clock. Doesn't really matter. All right. So what you're seeing is behind the works. Yeah, there's the correct trade. Now let's see if we have a 2 hour and then a 3 hour. Now this is our 1 hour. Now we need a 2 hour after that. Let's see if we have, no, I can call, this is perfect. 2 hour buy stop. This is incredible. Boy, what a cheat sheet I have now. Now I have the ultimate cheat sheet. Now I have the rifle, the sniper, the Uno reverse, and the Breebot can predict the future now. Oh my gosh. 2 hour buy stop, target. 3 hour buy stop, target. When? I don't fucking know. Though. Look for the 2. Yeah, this is called the Christmas gift. Even to me at this point, I'm excited. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is exciting. So we have a 2 hour buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, waiting for a 2 hour buy stop to form as you speak. Looks like there was one right here. Why didn't it call this buy stop? Interesting. See, this is, then I have to get back into why are we not calling this and why are we doing that? So it just, one thing leads to another, leads to another, leads to another. Let me go over to this date though and see if we can go back to here and see what this one is and get rid of that. And there we go. Now, is there a 2 hour buy stop forming? Not there, not there. Yes. See, it started to read. Why didn't it take this one? See, this is where I have to dive into things. Yeah, this should have been called. So the 2 hour has been done. Has there been a 3 hour? Yeah, the 3 hour. Well, I don't know if it's above the blue line. I'll have to add that later. I don't know. I'll follow up on this to check for errors, but there's definitely a 3 hour. Definitely, as I was telling you, there's your 2 hour, 3 hour. Let's see if we also have a 4 hour now. This is amazing. Boy, you just guys are just, I don't know if you understand what you're looking at, but if you did, wow. Nope. No 4 hour yet. No, I mean, no 10 hour yet. Let me see. Nope. No 7 hour yet. Yes. We have a 7 hour. Is it 7 hour. So I'll be looking for a 9 hour buy stop to form on gold, meaning it's going to go up, hit all the previous highs, go past all the previous high on target, and then target will be coming back down and forming a 10 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour buy stop next. Let me see. We're not inside of one. We are not. Daily. No, we are not. Yep, this is target going up. I bet you my options are in the money now. Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Good morning, user 62403. Matter of fact, let me go on here real quick and see a few things. Damn, I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to have to get going. I shouldn't be talking so much. Hold on. Let me say good morning to the people on TikTok real quick. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, who do we got? Good morning, Lazarus, Henry, Julius, JL Habab, the Griffey. What's up, the Griffey? JL Green. Question at all. Welcome to the channel. Question all. User 6240. Good morning. Antonio, Mojo, welcome. Everyone that's new to the channel, welcome. We're just going over all kinds of great news. All right. Does anybody have any questions of the robot? It's generically speaking, really quickly speaking, it's going to be an autonomous self-driving car. No, it's going to be a self-driving robot where it'll enter trades, demo trade only. It'll go in and out of the trades for you. You'll have to set up certain things if you want it to re-enter trades or to move your stop losses manually, that type of thing. Oh, good morning, the Griffey. Good morning, Jamie Rojo. So we have the great news of Bree. Bree is back to singing our songs.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong.
I swear that's the best news I've got. But for you guys' purposes, we do have a breakthrough. I consider it a major breakthrough. The fantastic news is the BreeBot re-entry issue has been fixed thanks to Spidey. Thank God. And it's showing me patterns that we're testing just a little bit. This is just silly. It's just testing a few. Meaning I can call trades even further. Yeah. I mean, when I can see that the 30-minute and the 1 hour and 2 hour and 3 hour have all been hit and it hasn't called a 4 hour yet or an 8 hour or 10 hour, we know it's coming. It's just amazing. Oh my gosh, this is going to be, this is crazy. Wait till you see this in action. Holy shit. Anywho, so that's another thing. The BreeBot issue has been fixed. I'm now obviously testing the fuck out of it. And then, we're setting up everything, doing everything we can as far as that goes. So that's the BreeBot news. Yay. Next up, we have, let me see over here if we can show it. Nope. Over here. Nope. Over here. Let's see. Yes. Okay, here we go. Now we have what's called the store. This is our site, thesafetrade.com. I'm going to be sharing with you some news very shortly here about the stores. We have 3 of them. 2 of them are almost at $1 million each. Yes, you heard that right. $1 million in each, 2 stores, and almost $500,000 in the 3rd store. And we haven't even been open a little over 2 years. And the stores have done over $2.5 million. Okay. So one of the ways I'm trying to make things good for everybody is this. I'm now making a private VIP trading group. I've added the final 25 spots. It was I had to keep adding. There was so many people that joined. I was going to limit it to 20, then I was going to limit it to 30, then 50, and then I'm going to stop it somewhere in the range of 75 members will be allowed into there. I know I'm not going over 100. You'll be put on a waiting list. I just added 25 spots and 6 of them are already gone. What this is right here is, no, Spidey is not the new quarter. We have KeyJ and where'd that question go? Oh, persistent. Spidey is just generous enough, thank God, to help us out in a time of need. I can't thank him enough. Matter of fact, Spidey is going to have unlimited access to the robots when they're complete. We have KJ, Chad, who are coding some things. We have obviously Spidey is going to be coding all our. No, I don't know. Shouldn't say that. He'll be coding what he can to help us when we need it. But yeah, the Safe Trade System VIP private demo trading group application space is extremely limited. Over 100 members have joined already. Oh, that's true. Oh shit, I forgot I did the second 50. Oh my God. I'm not getting any more. I'm not adding any more people. Let's put it that way. I refuse. Let's click on learn more. You click on the learn more one, apply to do our private group. This is just a private demo trading group. I'm going to say everyone that's been, I shouldn't say that now, because now what if there's over 125 people? Oh my gosh. Well, the first 100 of you that applied have been accepted. I think there was only one rejection. One guy we're not letting in because he's a douche, and I'm not allowing anyone that's a douche to buy any of my stuff anymore. Isn't happening. If you don't follow the rules, if you talk negatively about the system in the past, if you stop and started things off and on multiple times, if you're not a nice group member, you will not be able to join the VIP demo group. Let me put it that way. The demo group is just private trading group is just the people who want to do it. It's only, I think it's $150 for people who are already in certain things. If you do click on this, you're not purchasing it. It's not starting probably until February 1st. It might start the second week of January. I don't know yet. We're going on a cruise next end of this week, actually. We're going on a cruise. We're going down on a cruise. So once I get back from the cruise, Lord willing, then I'll get everybody's situated and straightened up and all that good stuff. Good morning, Jamie. Morning, Grant. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to you. So, sevens, if you all realize, we now have a private trading group. If you want to get into it, you need to apply. If you're a douche, you don't need to apply. If you're new to my system, you can still get it, by the way. This is what you would answer: your Discord name, city, state, address, phone number. I do not have an active safe trade system. It's going to cost you $777 a month to join the group. I do have the safety trade system. I'm not sure on this $350 price. I do have an active safe trade system. I am paying $150 a month. I can afford to pay this much a month. So if you can't afford these above prices, make sure you fill in what you can afford to pay over here. I've had the safety trade system since. I have had the sniper since. You must apply to get in this group. I am willing to commit to this payment for 1 year. I am not willing. I am willing to make payments on this for how many months? Okay. Why should we consider you for this group? This is a very exclusive group. Trust me. In the future, you guys are going to wish these were the prices. You agree to never ask for a refund because you can cancel this at the one. You guys can cancel any of those things you ever sign up for me through your. I would never do it if you couldn't. You get a confirmation email, say you spend $150 a month. You get a confirmation email from Stan, you can cancel it from that email. If you couldn't cancel it, I would never do auto draws. I hate auto draws. I love auto draws you can cancel. I hate when you can't do it yourself. You guys can cancel this at any time. This is what you fill out. And then you apply. It's $1. It's $1. And then you can read all about it there. That's fine, Yard Dog. Having the any version of it, it's still that would count for you having the safety trade system itself. Correct. I.e., meaning you would be this one right here. I have the sniper and the signals for $250 a month. You're right. You should put that in there. I've had the safe. You just write in there. I had the gold safety trade system, such whatever. I've had the gold safety trade system from whatever. At least I know when you're in gold, what you're paying. Okay. So excited to announce this private trading group. What it is there we go. Da, 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 da. Even more exciting. I swear to God, there's so much stuff going on. Even more exciting news. We now have our first ever VIP, baby. Everyone's an important person, but I had to do this. You must apply to join. All we're doing is weeding out anybody in the past that's given us troubles. You'd be shocked. People, oh, I hate the system, then they want to buy it. Oh, I hate the system, and then they want to get the. Oh, I hate the system, and then they want to do. Oh, I hate. If you ever talk bad about the system, you're not getting this. If you ever talk bad about, you're not joining anything. If you've ever said one bad thing about me, Bree, or the system, you're not getting the robot. If you ever talk bad, or we've gotten bad vibes, or you've gone in and out too many times of things, or you've said things, or you've done things, or you've been negative, you're not getting to be able to join the private demo trading group. You're not being able to get the robots that are coming up. And that's going to be your heartbreak right there. When you can't get the robot, you guys are going to all wish you didn't fucking talk smack about the system. Dumbasses. Doubt it. When you doubt me and you bet against me, good luck in your life. That's all I can tell you. All I know in my life is I kept trying till I succeeded at everything, whether it was the 3 gyms, whether it was recovering from bankruptcy and becoming a millionaire again, after becoming a millionaire, going bankrupt and becoming it again. I don't know what to tell you. What's up, Jan Fly to the Sky? I'm doing my very best, Henry. You're welcome. Are you going full private, or will I be able to still renew my safe trade system? No, I'm keeping it, Robert Lee. What's up, Robert? Good morning, Robert. Where we're keeping everything is still open. This is going to just be levels to it. I should have did this probably a couple of years ago. Because the private trading group, when we do our lives and we do everything, I can go super advanced and help everybody and go through. What I'm trying to do now is I'm going to keep the generic lives that we do for the public very simple, very basic. I'm going to pull back from trying to teach everything all the time, because when I went with the one-on-one with this one guy who paid me $1,000 to go one-on-one with, and I saw that he was literally didn't even understand the basics of what a buy stop was. I thought, oh my God, I got to slow things up. I got to pull back. And I thought, well, it's not fair to people who want to learn more. So those of you who want to learn more can go ahead and get into this private group. If you don't want to learn more and you're just good on what you're doing and just learning from what I'm doing on my lives, that's fine. But the reality is we have people who really want to do advanced stuff, who actually want to hear my call outs and my signals, and the ones that I actually take. Demo trade only, of course.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to you, Jan. You're welcome, Yard Dog. Good afternoon, Jan. Thank you for all you do to help you, Bishop. I'm doing what I can. All right, sevens, if you guys understand this again, sorry, I want to make sure that you understand that we have a VIP private demo trading group. We'll be going on lives together. We'll be going on training together. It's just going to be a different group. That's all. I'll wait for some 7s to pop up again. Thank you, Henry. All right. So now we have exciting news. Bree's done her little voiceover. Woohoo! We have exciting news.
One of these things is
Not like the other. And we have some exciting news about major exciting news about the BreeBot, major exciting news about the private VIP group. And wait, there's even more. Nice. I'm glad, Robert. Happy New Year's to you too, Jan, and Merry Christmas. Much appreciated. I love Safe Trade System and the core system only and doing well so far. That's fantastic, Robert. All right, so let's see. The next thing we have is, let me see. I think I can show you in here. Oh, shit. I got to get going. I don't know how people can't do an hour on a live. I can't do under an hour. I just started this and we're already, it's crazy how fast this time flies when you're having fun, I guess. All right, look. We also have exciting news. Our first consistency class. What is it? Join our first ever consistency class. What is it? Attend this class if you need to become more consistent with your trading profits. You can ask any questions about the system or your losses or your trades, anything. Who is teaching it? I am. When is it? The day and time of the class will change, but it'll be done approximately every other week. This week's class is December 30th at 3:30 p.m. Why do you need to sign up? To ask questions. If you do sign up, you can't ask questions and you cannot attend the class. So you follow the link to sign up, right here. And unfortunately, I think I think it's filled. Let me see something real quick. If I click on that, what happens? Yeah, it's filled. I knew it. Oh my gosh. 30, 20. I forgot how many people I allowed in. What is it? You need to look out for an email from me. I sent it out just yesterday, I think it was. It filled up same day. And there you go. This is crazy. So now you have a ongoing educational class for those of you who are having trouble with the system that is called the consistency class. So let's go ahead and write that out. Even more and more and more exciting news. We now are offering a free follow-up continuing education. Do you guys know what that is? I don't know. Like professionals and most whoever has to do continuing that every year. Continuing education. Consistency. How do you spell consistency? Am I even close on that? Da 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 da. Who is the one, the only one? Da 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 da. CONISTNCY. Yeah, what the fuck do you know? I actually did it. Consistently class. Da 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 da. Why attend? To become more consistent with your trading profits. It's open. It's open to everyone, by the way. This isn't just members. Anyone can do it. It's open to everyone. Cost is $0. length. Day and times will vary every other week. Okay. Is this not exciting stuff? What a time to be part of the system. Da, 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 da. Happy New Year, everyone in the community. Changed my trading for the better. Much love. Nice, Robert Lee. I'm so happy to hear that, Robert. Yay. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's to you and happy holidays. Your experience of your past shows that you're only human. Thanks for sharing your experience of ups and downs. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. I wish I wasn't only human, by the way, but yeah. There you go for people on TikTok. All right. Even more exciting news. We have a consistency class. It's a free class. You have to sign up for it. It's strictly through Zoom and Calendly. I will most likely record it and post them up later after the class is done. Not sure on that. Oh, the class will be announced through email and on the Discord. If you don't receive it, go over to right now. Sevens, if you guys understand, there's a consistency class. It's a continuing education class. It's a free follow-up class. It's for everyone that wants to learn how to trade. Sevens, if you understand that, please. And watch. If you need, you say, well, I don't have, and I didn't. Come over to here. Sign up for the 2 emails right here, right there and there. You can't go wrong. Sign up for both. And you will receive the class link. It's first come, first serve. I might expand it to like 30, 40, or 50 people in the future. But if you don't sign up, you don't get it. And that's just the way life is. I'm sorry, not trying to be mean or a dick or anything, but that's just the way it is. Okay. So we have outstanding news. I don't know if there could be any better news as far as the robots going. We have the robot being, the code has been fixed. Part of the code, we still need more code to be fixed. A lot more part of the code to be fixed, but I'm just thankful to Mike for what he did do. Spidey fixed the code, so now we have 1 entry per. Thank God. I'm checking the code. And then we now can tell, because 30-minute, 1 hours, and so on, what's coming up in the future. Oh my God. This is beyond comprehension. If you guys knew the power of this code, Jiminy Christmas. Wow. Was going to ask you, of course, to record the coding only because I'm in the UK and time as it stands 12:30 a.m. and you could change. Mostly going to be early. Yes, I will post it, just like I mentioned. Absolutely. Almost for surely going to post it. If it's too much work for me, I'm not doing it. If it's okay on the amount of work, I'll do it for you guys. So we had great news about Bree doing the sounds for us again, the songs. We have fantastic news about the robot being fixed, thank God, or at least partially fixed at this point, getting it fixed by one of our previous coders, Spidey. We also have another thank God that we have the private trading group coming. So let's recap. Da 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 da. Look at all these amazing things. Precious singing for us. Precious joining us on future lives. Woohoo, can't beat that. Free bot re-entry problem fixed. New VIP demo Trading group. Formed. New. Okay, we're going to have to name this other than consistency because I can't spell consistency class. Consistency class started. This is incredible. Incredible edible egg. Da 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 da. All right. Are there any questions about any of these things that have been done? Brebot is on warp drive now to get finished, meaning a month, 2 months, 3 months. Then we got to start testing. I think I'm going to let everybody in the, let's do that. Everybody in the new demo VIP private trading group will get to test if and when we do the testing. We'll get to test the Brebot first. Boom. How about that for a benefit of joining? Wow. Everybody in the new demo VIP private, can't even spell private, right? I swear, why do you guys even, I'm the worst speller in the history of the world. Even with spell check, I can't spell. That's pretty fucking bad, by the way. If you can't spell with spell check, that's freaking bad. Yeah. How about that for a free gift to you guys? Barani said wonderful. Yes, it is. Everybody understand everything on this. 7s if you do, 9s if you don't. Ask your questions. I can't stay too much longer. I gotta run. It's getting too late in the morning for me, and I got too much to do. All right. 7. If you understand, Precious is singing for us. Precious is joining on Future Lives. Brebot re-entry problem fixed. New VIP demo trading group form. New consistency class started. Woo!
See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
We're going up. My wife is the cutest thing ever since sliced bread. Okay. All right. 7s over there. Is there any 7 Super Z's 7 me out the door? Good job, Super Z. This is exciting. 111. Wow. This is amazing. All right. The consistency class is filled. At worst case, you guys can do not email me asking about any of this stuff. Do not email us. Do not email us. Whoa, hold on. Let's get this straight. Do not email us asking about these things. Please. Yeah. The worst side you can get on me, you email too often, you're acting weird, it's different. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Not happening. All right. This has been fun. What a great, here, let me rename this one, by the way, while we're here. Is this the one I'm in? Hold on. Do 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 do. Give me 1 second. Da, 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 da. 12, 28, 25. Save. All right. Now that should do that one. Let's go back to here and hope I'm not kicked out. D. Jones, Dwight says, amazing. Thanks, Dwight. I agree with that. You want to get on my bad side and not get any of these things? Email us. That's how you get on my bad side. Over emailing, saying a bad thing about the system. Wow. Oh. Oh. All right. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try to do something here before we go. I'm going to try to add in another stream. I don't know if it's going to let us in. I don't know what's going to happen here. Allow. Mm-hmm. But add a scene. Demo. Okay, so now I'm in. Mm-hmm. Let me see if this is. I have to just see a couple things here. How is TikTok and YouTube?
Not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish our song?
I swear. All right. I don't think there was any reverb on that. Okay, now we got to test one more thing before. Is the VIP demo group free? No, it is not. $150 to $777 a month, depending on which version you want to join, where you're at with the system. You can read about it. Just head over here and read about it. That's all. No, it's not free. Click over here, go over to there, click on this, and it will tell you the costs in there. Da, 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 da. All right, now, let's see. I'm going to mute this one. All right, people on YouTube only, can you still hear me? Thank you, Alex, for letting me know it sounds good on TikTok. Thank you, Don't Cast Stones, for letting me know. Testing. Now it's working, but that's weird how that works. Fuck. Hold on. Let me go back over here. There we go. But why won't the sound work on this one? And how do I get it to go? Bear with me, guys. Hold your horses. Yeah. Da 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 da. Okay, why isn't the video working? Shoot fire. Well, so it's not working on any camera. Why isn't it working? Da, 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 da. Nope. Your microphone is muted. Nope, not what I want. Back triple camera. But it's not showing up. Fuck. Well, anyhow. All right, guys. I should be on tomorrow morning, by the way, just so you're aware. Well, I don't want to end the stream though. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Okay. All right, I think I'm done. All right, guys, everyone have a great day today. Wonderful day today. God bless you all on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Everyone enjoy your day. Thank you, Henry. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Grant, KJ. What's up, KJ? Everybody have a great day. All right, talk to y'all later. God bless on TikTok. YouTubers, any questions before I go? Thank you, Henry, again. All right, God bless you all on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. It was a fun one today. Easy one. We'll be on live in the morning, Lord willing. All right, take care.